Yo, what's up YouTube? 4DSC dude here. I got a special treat for you today. Take a look behind me there. You can see some pretty radical shit. We're at the backyard drift shop and we're gonna take a look at a couple project cars today. Ready? Let's go. We're gonna start the RB car. So check this shit out.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Okay.
That 1300 cc's. Like 40 or something like that stock.
All right. So you guys want to know about the VH? Let's talk about the VH. Christopher, Chris Crane. This guy built it.
Hi, how you doing?
And let's talk about it. That's a big motor, dude.
Yes, it is. It's a 94 Infinity Q45 engine, 4.5 liter. It is mated to a 300Z NA transmission. Car was totaled when I got it. It has a tube front end. It has wheel tubs I created in the front. Stitch welded engine bay. Has some dimple die bracing. Obviously the hood doesn't fit with this engine, so the hood has a modification with a hood scoop.
Let's check out the hood scoop.
Don't mind the bird poop.
Yeah.
Got a 6-point cage done by me. Hydro rear dual caliper brackets, rear drop spindles, 3-inch stainless steel exhaust with X pipe, ASD hydro. Got a racing bucket.
Got a racing bucket. Got some seat belts.
Yep. Hey Jeff, hang on a minute.
What am I hanging on to?
You are a hell of a motherfucking driver, brother. A hell of a motherfucking driver.